Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add someone on Google Chat. It's pretty simple. Now if you want to add one of your friend on Google Chat, you need to search for them using their Google name, which is also known as Gmail. You cannot search for somebody using their phone number or using their name. You have to search them using their email. So go ask your friend for their email, and at the top after opening your Google Chat, you want to click on search, and on search you want to type your friend's email. Make sure you type your friend's correct email, because if you type an incorrect one, you might add someone else. So enter the correct Gmail, and then their account will be shown at the bottom like this. So a person with this email does exist. That's why it's showing over here. So if I click on it and send him a message, then he's going to be displayed at my outside at my home feed like this. And that is basically how you guys can add your friend or add someone on Google Chat, because there is no other way. Like, you cannot send friend request or anything. This is the only working method. You search for their Gmail, you click on their Gmail, send them a message, and you can start chatting. So that's how you guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Google Chat related videos just like this. I will see you guys next time.